Today we're going to be learning how to climb a tree. But barefoot edition. Really got to take a shower today. Let's get into the video. Woo! First step. Oh, flamingos. Oh. Oh. Looks like the video is going to be not based on climbing trees. How about that? Sorry if you just got a close-up to my face. I was picking up the camera and yeah, don't want you to see that. I think my neighbors know I fell out of a tree. It's kind of embarrassing. That's what I was staring at, waiting for them to pass, because I fell out of a freaking tree. That's really embarrassing, ain't it? So, I wonder if she's gonna come over and go, "Are you alright?" So, let's enter. So, if I put my hand on here, we'll enter. Won't work. Maybe it'll work this time. So, obviously, you see my new intro. Obviously, one more thing. Let's go back out here. This time we're actually going to open the door without magic. But one more thing is that I'm not going to use my intro for my gaming channel, which was originally what was supposed to happen until I made this channel. I have a good editor, so I'm going to put that at the beginning of each video so then you can see that I like it. And today we're going to be exploring for like not even 2 minutes. So, you see, there's nothing in there. But then, let's go around here. I'm pretty sure there's got to be something. We do a lot of yard work around here, don't we? Yeah, what am I saying? There's the ramp. I had to rebuild it because you know how the vlogs it rained, and well, that destroyed it because I went to ramp. Then my bike did a flip over the log and I hurt my crotch. So let's explore. Birdhouse number 1. Bird, 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 bird. See, that's important. There's the well there. That's what I stacked this phone on. Halloween decorations. See, this is really a lot of exploring. I live in a really, like a woods area, don't I? It's a lot of wood we have over there. We had a yard sale here last week or the week before. That's the leftover. See, ow, frick. See, nature can hurt sometimes, you know? Like, it doesn't hurt to get hurt sometimes. But, you know, nature can do that to you. There's my mom's lovely garden. Along with that, my favorite part is this side. It's really nice. So, yeah, that's basically nature, and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. See ya.